Hi everybody, this is Cindy at Lulu's Treasure Trove, and I hope everybody's having a great day today. Whether you are new to my channel or you've been with me since I started my channel, I just want to thank you for being here and sharing part of your day with me. Well, I was sitting here and got the supper in the oven, and then I turned over here and looked, and I said, well, now, you guys haven't seen Lulu for a while, but I said, looky there, ain't that the lap of luxury? So he's resting over here on this little sofa that we have. So you guys hadn't seen Lulu for a while, but he's still here and he's resting right now. Well, let's just pop on over here and go into the bedroom and see what our little Ozzy Wozzy's up to. He's in here and I can hear him chirping. Hey, little Ozzy Wozzy, you gonna say hi to everybody today? Are you gonna say hi? Oh, yeah, say hi. It's kind of dark, isn't it? It's kind of dark, isn't it? Yeah, it's kind of dark. I was trying to get up a little close there where they could see you. Yeah. Say howdy. Howdy. How's everybody's Sunday? Say, hope everybody's having a good fall. First day of fall. Yeah. He's going to sing for you. Tweedles. Say Tweedles. He's having fun today. Singing and playing. Yes, he is. He's singing and playing. Doing a little circle. he's circling for y'all. He's doing a little circle dance. That was cute. He's chirping and doing a little circle dance.
Yeah, he's doing a circle dance.
Yeah. So, well, that was sweet. There's little Aussies. I opened up that curtain to let the light in, and now you can see the dust. There must have been some dust on the curtain. Lord have mercy. Ozzy, turn back around here and say hi. Turn back around here, Aussies, and say hi. He's acting all shy on the camera today. So, well, I'm fixing to open up this package, so here we go. Coming on here to film some things. Please forgive my appearance. You guys know I hadn't been feeling too great, but Ozzy's up there and he just said hi to everybody. And so I've had some people asking about the Expression Fiber Arts package that I got, so let's turn this camera around and I'm gonna open that up so you guys can check that out. Okay, whew, I finally got this down here. Ozzy's still looking and chirping. Well, he's finally turned around now, chirping and looking after I've done got the camera turned around. So we're just gonna get on with this. Well, this is my package that you guys said you were excited to see and you couldn't wait to see what color I got. I got 3 of the Fearless Yak Merino Sport, and that was the color of it. And I also I'm gonna open this paper. I also got, and this picture may not be too clear because of the way it's printed, but I also got this pattern and it's called Sky Father. And so, anyway, let's go ahead and pull out the yarn. Now these yarns are hand-dyed yarns, and the yarns are from Expression Fiber Arts. So let's pull it out and take a look at it. So this is called, or this says Fearless. So this yarn is an Expression Fibers Arts, and this particular yarn is called Fearless. It's a yak merino sport, and it is I'm trying to get it out of the glare. It's a 70, oh goodness, we have a visitor here. We have a visitor here. Ozzy flew down and says, I want in on the action and let me see what this yarn is looking like. So Ozzy, you're gonna be right here. He wants to get down here with the action too. Yes, I do, he says. Let me in on the action. He says, I gotta get out here and see this beautiful yarn. Yeah. Did you like it? Do you like the yarn, Ozzy? Does it live up to your expectations? Are you loving that yarn? He's smiling like he's loving it. Look at him. He says, I gotta get out here and see this yarn. Yeah. Look at him. He says, well, isn't that beautiful? He's loving that yarn, you guys. So I'm excited because Ozzy's excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. Ozzy's nibbling my hand. This is 70% superwash merino wool and 30% yak, and it's 329 yards for 100 grams. And it says you can use a knitting needle, a size 3 to a 5, crochet hook size DF, and of course hand wash only. So Ozzy, I was going to pull the rest of these yarns out. Don't you want to look at them? I think maybe he might smell the yak. Yeah. You want to look at that yarn? He says, I am really getting into this yak yarn. So here's another one. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? It is just gorgeous. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it, Ozzy? It really is. It's beautiful. So here, Ozzy, he doesn't want to get off my finger. His feet feel so cute when it's walking around on my hand. But look, he's really tasting that. I think he can tell that's got some yak in it. Look, he's never done this before, you guys. You guys have been watching me and Ozzy for a long time, and I've never seen him do that before. He's really loving this yak yarn. So this, if you guys haven't never had this before, it's exceptionally soft. I don't know how to describe it. You can see here, it's so beautiful, and I'm trying to hold it over here where there's not a glare on it. But maybe if I hold it down like that, there, that's pretty true to color right there. So is that not beautiful? It is really gorgeous. Ozzy is loving it. I'm loving it. I hope you guys are loving it. I really hope you guys are having a beautiful Sunday. And so if you guys will just leave some comments down there. Let me know what you're doing today on your beautiful Sunday. That will be great. And Ozzy says, I'm loving this yak yarn. So, I've never seen Ozzy loving a yarn as much as I see him loving this yarn. He's really getting into it, which I think is pretty cool. Look at him. He says, I really love that yarn. Yeah, I just love it. Isn't that adorable? Let me get down here a little closer. Now you guys can see. He says, I'm really loving it, Mama. I'm really loving it. Yeah. Is that not the funniest thing you guys have ever seen? I'm gonna turn this camera and lower it down. There. Yeah. Yeah. Now. Maybe you guys can see the yarn better too. I don't know. You like that yarn? Huh? You like that yarn, Ozzy? Huh? You wanna loving it? You loving that yarn? Huh? Well, tell everybody bye. Say bye, everybody. Say I love you too, and I'll talk to y'all later. There you go. Bye, everybody.